The last in the last period we have discussed regarding the paper first semester first BSc first year. The title of this paper is Diversity of Crypto Games. Diversity of Crypto Games. In that we have discussed what are the crypto games, the meaning of diversity of crypto games, then general characteristics of algae, then different beats which have been mentioned for your syllabus. That is, unit 1 is consist of bacteria, virus, mycoplasma. Unit 2 is concerned with algae, and unit 3 is concerned with fungi. Before going to discuss or going to be detailed study of bacteria, virus, mycoplasma, we are going to start first unit 2, that is algae. Unit 2 is algae. What are the things that have been mentioned in this bit in algae? First beat of this algae, first unit, first beat of first things which have been mentioned in algae is general characteristics of algae. What are the general characteristics? In the last class we have discussed what are the general characteristics of algae. At least 15 to 16 or 20 general characteristics we have discussed in the last class. And we have also discussed what is meant by classification. Different algologists have given their own classification of algae, but the most accepted one, the algal classification is F.E. Frisch. F.E. Frisch. How he has been classified different algae in different groups or classes. According to the F.E. Frisch, he has been divided all algae in 11 classes or groups. In your syllabus, you have to be study up to the class level of classification. What are these 11 classes? That also we have discussed. So before the Frisch classification, the whole algae have been classified into 4 to 5 or say 6 classes. That is Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae, Mixophyceae, Cyanophyceae, all these things, Mixophyceae. So later on, the F.E. Frisch have been divided all algae into 11 classes. In that, you have to be write down at least 5 to 6 general characteristics of each class. For example, class Chlorophyceae, just I am giving, for example, while discussing the general characteristics of Chlorophyceae, first of all, you have to write down first characteristics. Chlorophyceae is nothing but one of the most important, a larger group of algae in which the all algae contains chlorophyll pigments, excess amount of chlorophyll pigments. Therefore, this class is named as Chlorophyceae. The second general characteristic of class Chlorophyceae is the plant body of this group or this class, whatever the algae comes under these groups or class, the plant body ranges from unicellular to multicellular filamentous branch. Then third important general characteristics of class Chlorophyceae is the reproduction or multiplication take place by both asexual, sexual and vegetative methods. Vegetative, asexual and sexual methods. So like this, you have to write down at least 5 to 6 general characteristics of each class. Each class, the question will not be asked in the examination, but sometimes a 10 marks or 5 marks question will be asked on classification of algae. So these are the things you have to be studied in classification of algae, which was given by F.E. Frisch. While writing the details regarding the classification of algae, first of all you have to give slight description about F.E. Frisch, how he has studied different algae, on which basis he has been classified or grouped into different classes, what are the distinguishing characteristics he has taken under consideration for to classify or to divide algae in different groups or classes. So these are the things you have to be mentioned in classification of algae. After algae, so we have studied the general characteristics, then classification of algae. Now, what are the type studies or the examples which are mentioned for this, for the study of life cycle of all the examples which are mentioned in the algae. So, out of these 11 classes, there have been mentioned 5 classes. From each class, they have mentioned 1 or 2 examples to study the complete life cycle of that particular example. First one is, that is class Chlorophyceae. In class Chlorophyceae, for your syllabus, they have mentioned a single example, that is Chara. Chara, they have been mentioned as a type study. Then, in case of Xanthophyceae, they have mentioned an example, that is Botryddium. Now, third class, that is here, that is Phaeophyceae. Example is Sargassum. Fourth one is Rhodophyceae. In that class, they have been mentioned as a type study or example, that is Batrachospermum. And fifth one is Myxophyceae or Cyanophyceae, that is Nostoc. So these are the 5 examples or type studies that have been mentioned for your syllabus to study the life cycle of each example. So what is the exact meaning of life cycle? For example, Chara is that, first of all, you have to be explain where it occurs or locality of that particular Chara, whether it is found in marine water or any fresh water, sea water, whether it is a marine alga or freshwater alga. If it is found in freshwater alga, whether it is found in pond, river, ditches, etc. All these things. So you have to be mentioned what are the different species, how many species still discovered in case of Chara, and their locality. After that, structure, habit. Structure, you have to draw the figure of that particular example, label it, and explain details regarding the structure of Chara. Then, after that, cell structure of Chara, then reproduction, how it is multiplied, reproduction. So, while studying all these things, that is the completion of life cycle of that particular example. Similarly, so this is the Chara. Similarly, in case of Xanthophyceae, they have been mentioned for our syllabus a single type study or example, that is Botryddium. Here also explain, you have to study the where it occurs, then structure, reproduction, then classification. Or before giving the details regarding the occurrence, structure and reproduction, you have to write down classification of algae. Classification of that particular example, that is Xanthophyceae, division algae, class Xanthophyceae, order, family, genus and species. Then occurrence, where it occurs, that is habitat. Similarly, in Sargassum also you have to explain all these things, Sargassum, Batrachospermum and Nostocs. So now this is completion of unit second, that is algae. Unit second, that is algae. So earlier I have mentioned that there will be a great chance, there will be always question on algae. A 20 marks question will be asked on algae. For example, give a detailed accounts on life cycle of Chara. So here a 20 marks question is that you have to be, first of all, give the classification, occurrence, figure, structure, reproduction, all these things. Similarly, Botryddium, Sargassum, Batrachospermum and Nostrum. There will be a chance of 10 marks questions, all these 5 types of study, or 5 types of examples. That is, there will be sometimes question will be asked, give a detailed account on sexual reproduction in Chara. Sexual reproduction in Chara, or asexual reproduction in Botryddium, or give a detailed accounts on sexual reproduction in Sargassum, Batrachospermum and Nostocs. Or there may be 5 marks questions. 5 marks questions will be asked on these all types of examples. So these are the chances of question will be asked in all these 5 examples. 5 examples. Now after that, we have to be discussed regarding economic importance of algae. Economic importance of algae. There will be a chance of asking questions, either it may be 20 marks or 10 marks on economic importance of algae. Economically, how these algae are useful for human beings. So, regarding the economic importance, earlier we have discussed what things they have to be asked in, what things you have to be right while asking the economic importance of algae. So this is the regarding an example, type studies or life cycle of examples which are mentioned for your syllabus. Now we will be studying one by one. That is, first we are going to be start, that is class Chlorophyceae. Class Chlorophyceae. Example Chara. Example Chara. Here you have to be study the complete life cycle of the Chara. Sometimes it is also called a Chara. Chara is one of the most important alga which belongs to the class Chlorophyceae, which is advanced one. There are many algae comes under class Chlorophyceae, but in that for your syllabus they have been mentioned Chara as a type study. Chara is a type study. Here you have to be study the details regarding the life cycle of Chara. Life cycle of Chara. While studying the life cycle of Chara, first of all you have to give the classification, occurrence, structure and reproduction. These things you have to be studied in the Chara. So in the next class, details regarding the Chara we are going to be discussed, that is classification, occurrence, structure and reproduction one by one. Okay, thank you.